on this computer. So just everyone keep reading. The heading is equation of lines. Today's topic is equation of lines. Just equation of line only. In lines there are many concepts. I'll just focus only on this. Some students who are very good in math, they might find it easy, but even then there is a chance that you need to learn. There are the different models that are being asked on equation of line. We'll solve all the models. So till the last minute of the class, it is very important. Be with me, learn the way we need to solve questions, then everything should be perfect. Okay, yeah. Now, what is the meaning of equation? Equation means like your name. Equation of line means your name is John, Tom, Modi, whatever it might be, right? Similarly, every line, if I call line as a line, if I call you as a human or male or female, you feel bad. Why he's doing too much action? Why he's calling me as a human being or male or female? Why can't he call me with a name? Similarly, when you don't call line with their name, like x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0, even it gets hurt. If you call line as a line, it gets hurt. I'm just joking. So to identify different lines, we need to have their equations. If not, you cannot differentiate between the different lines, or we cannot do anything with the line if I don't have the equation. So equation is simply like your name, as simple as that. So equation of a line means name of the line. So now our intention is, suppose you are born and your parents want to keep a name for you, naming ceremony. There'll be a lot of hangama, right? So they will consult some 100 people, 200 people. They'll see your star name. They'll call some pandit. That and this, they'll do so much hangama, right? Everyone will do, because we should do, because the name will be there with you for your lifelong, and parents are too much concerned about us. Make sure that you mute yourself. Someone has unmuted. Yeah. Now, similarly, while naming the line or while finding the equation of the line, we need to do the same hangama. When I say hangama, so there are some rules that we need to follow. I'll tell you all the rules that you require as part of SAT that you should follow, so that you'll be able to solve any question that comes as part of the exam. And if anyone is unable to understand, please watch this video again and again, or you can get back to me after the class or during the class. But finally, I want you to get perfect score in SAT. In SAT math, pakka. If you are serious, you blindly follow me, I can assure you that. So without any wasting our time, we'll start with this equation of a line. We know general form, there are many form of, like your name might be Bunny, your actual name might be some Sunny, but nickname might be Bunny. So similarly, there are different ways to write the same line, equation of line. Suppose if you have 2x plus y plus 5 minus 5 equal to 0. Same thing can be written as y is equal to, bring other terms to this side, minus 2x plus 5. Are they two same or different? Definitely they are same. There are different ways of writing the equation of line. There are different ways, but the easiest and the frequently followed nomenclature means the way we write the name of the line is y is equal to mx plus b or p or q, whatever it is. So this is the general nomenclature, general form that we prefer to use while trying to find equation of a line. This is the general nomenclature. So where m stands for slope and b stands for y-intercept. Don't worry if you're unable to understand any terminologies, I'll go step by step. Now, like if I want to keep name for you, if I'm the Pandit, I'll see the time and the date you are born and which star you belong to. So much technical things I need to do, right? So similarly, when I need to find the equation of the line, I do have some technical things. One is m and b are my technical things. So now let us see how to find those m and b. So what is the meaning of m here? M, the meaning is, what is meant by m is, it refers to slope. What is the meaning of the slope? Inclination of the line with respect to x and y axis. So this is inclined around 30 degrees. This line has inclined around 150 degrees. So inclination of the line, tangent of inclination of the line, or in short sense, inclination of the line is said to be the slope. More and more inclination, less inclination. Generally, the inclination is called as the slope. That is also not required for me. But what is required to me is If I need to find slope of a line, most important from now, so far you just need to know one term. What is that one term you need to know is, so there are different ways to represent the line, but we generally prefer y is equal to mx plus b. So I'll use this terminology whenever I'm trying to find the equation of a line. So there m stands for slope. So how do I find slope? Generally slope is written as m, right? There are many ways to find slope here. One way is, I'll explain all the ways, or I'll explain this way because this is required for SAT. Or I can also use tan theta, or I can also use dy by dx, or minus a by b. There are many more ways, but in SAT I need only this first step. What is this first step? Means if I need to find slope of any line, what I need to do? If I need to find slope of any line, I would require 2 points on the line, minimum 2 points. Why? Because if you have 2 points, assume I have only 1 point. I can draw a line like this, I can draw a line like this, or I can draw a line like this. I can draw multiple lines. But assume I have 2 points. When you have 2 points, you don't have an option. Even God don't have an option. We all need to draw only one line that is passing through those 2 points. So what is the first thing? If I need to find a line, unique line, I need minimum 2 points. So to find a slope, what is required? First and the most important thing is, they look simple, but unless until you think from the base, you cannot solve questions in actual exam. So bear with me and understand the base. Not that I know this formula. Okay, you know that formula, but unless until you know the base, it might not be possible for you to do the questions. Now assume 2 points. Let this point be 3 comma 5. Let this point be 3 comma 5. Let the other point be 9 comma 20. Assume I gave you 2 points here. So if you need to find the slope, find the difference between y coordinates 20 minus 5. Find the difference between the x coordinates, which is 9 minus 3. So 15 by 6, which is 5 by 2, which is 2.5. So to find slope, slope means the inclination of the line with respect to positive x-axis, tangent of inclination. There are many terminologies. I don't want all that. How much the line is inclined, if you know that, it is sufficient to me for now. And to find slope, definitely I require 2 points. 100% I require 2 points. So once I get those 2 points, I'll just subtract y coordinates over x coordinates. The rise over run, they call me so many terms, or y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is y2, this is y1, this is x2, this is x1. Y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 is also said to be slope. Okay, so far clear? Perfect. Now let me move to the next concept. It is not always required to have 2 points. What, Venkat? Just now you are saying here we need 2 points. Immediately you are saying not 2 points are required. Yes, not 2 points are required when, suppose I know a line and the equation of this line is y is equal to 3x plus 5. And if I say the required line, listen to me, if you are 100% focused, even you are very weak in math or you don't have any interest in math, I can assure you can solve any question in your SAT exam or ACT, the competitive exam that you are writing, but your focus should be on my words. What are the other ways to find the slope of the line? Even 2 points are not given. Yes, you can find when, suppose I say line A, line B, I know equation of line B, and if I know line A is parallel to line B, if I know line B is parallel to line A, slope of line A would also, what is the slope of this? 3. What is the slope of this? 3. So slope of line A also would be 3. So when two lines are parallel, they'll have same slope. Simple points, most of you know, but there might be few students who are, might not be aware. So I don't want to, none of you should be at disadvantage. So I'm teaching everything from base. Yeah. Satvik, you mute yourself here. Yeah. So if two lines are parallel, they'll have same slope. Simple. Now assume this is my line A I don't have 2 points. This is my line B, and the equation of line B is y is equal to 3x plus 5. So if the required line is perpendicular to line A, what would be slope of line A? Negative reciprocal, or minus 1 by 3. So other ways to find slope is when I know if the line is parallel or perpendicular. If the line is parallel, if the line is parallel, if the line is parallel, slope is same. If the line is perpendicular, the slope is negative reciprocal. If I write y is equal to 2x plus 3, slope is 2. Correct, right? Because this stands for m. Immediately might ask me, Venkat, you said there are many forms for a line. How can you expect SAT or the competitive exam to give you only y is equal to 2x plus 3? Why can't they give like something else? If they give like 2x plus 3y plus 6 equal to 0, how to find the slope? Simple. You isolate y. 3y is equal to minus 2x minus 6. Y is equal to minus 2 over 3 into x plus minus 6 over 3. So minus 2 over 3 is my slope. But in SAT, even wasting even 1 second is too useful to me. So why should I waste 2 steps? In hurry, I might make calculation mistake. So if the equation of line form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, slope is given by minus a by b. If the equation of the line is of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, slope of the line is given by minus a over b. So minus a is coefficient of x, b is coefficient of y. So minus 2 over 3, the same thing I got. I can save 2 to 3 seconds. Everything where I can save even 1 second is too important in SAT. You need to catch that point and keep in your mind. So right now we learned few simple things. What are the few simple things that we have learned? What are the few things we have learned? What is the equation of line? What is the form of equation of line? Form of equation of line is y is equal to mx plus c. And right now I'm teaching you what are the different ways to find slope. Different ways to find slope. One way is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. The other way is if they are parallel, same slope. If they're parallel, same slope. If they're perpendicular, slope is negative reciprocal. Slope is negative reciprocal. Okay? Yeah, as simple as that. We just learned only these 3 simple concepts. And one more thing is, if they give me in this form, if the equation of line is given, this is called standard form. I don't want to use too many technical words in class. I want to make the class as much English as possible. Means it should be like as I'm speaking English, a basic language. The moment the students are comfortable with the language, you understand and you feel the subject is easy. If I start using more and more technical terms, if I say I know too many things about too technical things, let me use them. No, it is useless. Finally, we should understand the subject. So if they give up, if the equation of the line is of this form, ax plus by plus c equal to 0, slope is given by minus a by b. That's it. So far, we have learned only these 4 simple basic concepts. Correct, right? Now, let me come back. So let me take the previous question or a new question. Assume that I was given 2 points. One point is 3, 5. The other point is 6, 10 or 6, 11. Assume. Now, I need to find the equation of this line. First, you write y is equal to mx plus b. Everyone should write y is equal to mx plus b. So immediately find the slope. What is the slope? 11 minus 5 over 6 minus 3. 11 minus 5 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. 6 over 3 is 2. So slope is 2. Therefore, y is equal to 2x plus b is the equation of the line. But I don't know b. B is a variable. I need to find the value of b. To find value of b, you take any of this point, either this or this. Let me take 3 comma 5 or 6 comma 11. Let me take 6 comma 11. 11, y is 11, x is 6. 11 is equal to 2 into 6 plus 1 plus b. 11 is equal to 12 plus b. B is 11 minus 12, which is minus 1. So equation of the line that I want is y is equal to 2x minus 1. See how simple is this. This is the base of finding the equation of line, but please do remember SAT is too smart. Right now I'll solve at least 10 to 15 questions based on the time that permits to me. How variedly they'll ask the same thing, how differently they ask. They make us things look so complicated. But if you follow whatever I'm saying carefully and implement step by step, even you don't know anything in math, even your 5th class student, you'll be able to do. So one thing is, this is a pure math. This concept is more of mathematics, pure maths. So you just need to know the base that I'm telling you and write all these steps. Don't think I know that and this, you make unnecessary mistakes. Immediately write the information and recall whatever I explained in the class so far, you'll be able to do. And there are few more things that which is required for us, so that when I go and start solving the questions, you would be able to solve most of the questions. I'll be with you. I'll solve all the different models that comes in the paper. At least you can expect 2 questions directly on equation of lines. Minimum 2 questions. If you are listening to this class properly, 2 out of 58 is equal to 1 upon 29. It is approximately 3%, more than 3%, 3.33 or 3.4. Means 4 with today's class 4. You are clear with 4% of SAT. You need to learn only remaining 96%. I'm giving a clarity to you so that you have clarity. Okay. Yeah. Now we all in the class knows y is equal to 2x minus 1. Generally, who are in Indian curriculum, who are in state board curriculum, they find it is very easy because they do many questions on this. Who are in other curriculums, mainly the students who are from US, they might not be so comfortable. So I'm trying to keep balance between all the students. Yeah. Now we clearly know how to find the equation of the line. Correct, right? Now there are few more things that you are required to know before you start solving the question. What is the first thing is, they say the x-intercept of the line is 4. The x-intercept of the line is 4. Means indirectly they're giving the point 4 comma 0. If they say x-intercept of the line is 4, means x-intercept is 4, so y coordinate is almost, y coordinate should be 0. So when they say this word, they're giving a point to you. The point is 4 comma 0. If they say y-intercept of the line is 9, means indirectly they're telling you the point, they're giving a point indirectly, and the point they're giving is 0 comma 9. I hope I'm clear in what I'm explaining it to you. So you just need to know one more terminology. If they say x-intercept, means they gave the point. If they say y-intercept, means they gave a point. So if they say x-intercept of 4, they gave a point to you of 4 comma 0. If they say y-intercept of 9, they gave a point of 0 comma 9 to you. The simple basics, whatever we have learned in the last 15-20 minutes or 25 minutes, let us go and see what are the different ways they ask questions and whatever the 6-7 concepts I explained so far, and we'll see how to approach them. But be very careful, you should not take things easier. Now let me just open them. Yeah. Okay. So let me open test 1, I think. Yeah, test 3. In test 3, that let me see the questions. Yeah, everyone in the class should give me answer for question number 4. So linear function means line. So there is a line, and this always stands for x, this always stands for y or f of x. Both meant the same. Indirectly they give so many points on the line. One more point that I would like to keep you in mind is, suppose if I have 3 points on the line, 3 points on the same line, find slope between these 2 points, between A and B. Find the slope between B and C. Both will be equal. Most important point. If there are multiple points on the line, slope between any 2 points should be the same. If there are multiple points on the line, slope between any 2 points should remain the same. Very good. Now everyone in the class just attack and try to give me answer for question number 4. Everyone should give me answer. None of you should sit idle in the class. We'll solve different models. all the models related to equation of lines. So till last minute of the class, you need to be alert. Then you'll become those two questions are in your pocket. Everyone in the class, just solve question number 4 and type your answer in the chat box. Anyway, I'm going to explain this to you, but you need to solve before. Everyone should give. All the 26, 25 students should give me answer. Yeah. Everyone else, fast. You need to be fast. Yes, correct. So even I can do trial and error method, but trial and error method is for the people who don't know the concept. If you know the concept, my sincere suggestion is always apply the concept instead of going for trial and error, because trial and error will unnecessarily eat our mind. I know many topmost, what is this, training centers or coachings, they say process of elimination, plugging in, they are definitely good, but if you know the concept, apply the concept directly. Very good. 10 students gave me answer, even rest of you should give me answer. Yashasvi, Anushka, Pavan, Harini, Harsha, Pranav, Mayuka, Gururaj, Abhinav. So I received answers from these people. I am expecting answers from others too. Junaid, everyone else. Alok, please be active. Please give me answer. Siddharth, Lahari. Lasya, Vanilla. Okay, we should not waste time. I'll explain. Even others who did not give, please make sure that you type your answer here as soon as possible. So take any 2 points that you like. One, let me write the points. They gave me points as 1 comma minus 2, 2 comma 1, 3 comma 4, 4 comma 7. Take any 2 points. Don't waste your time. Take any 2 points. Let me take 2 comma 1 and 3 comma 4. Find the slope. 4 minus 1 by 3 minus 2, 3 by 1, 3 is the slope. Luckily, there is only one line which this also matters. These are the techniques that you need to learn. Why I'm asking you to solve is these are the techniques that you, because some students they blindly follow mx plus c, 3x plus c. Now they try to find c. Will solve anyway, but in exam I should not waste my time, because there is only one line with slope 3, because I clearly know slope of this line is 3. If you don't like these 2 points, take other points, still you get 3. So there is only one option with 3, because this is y, this is m. So definitely should go for C for Chennai, but let us solve the complete thing. So now y is equal to 3x plus c. To find c, take any point that you like. Let me take 7 comma 4. 7 is equal to 3 into 4 is 12 plus c. Therefore c is equal to minus 5. Y is equal to 3x minus 5. So happily C for Chennai should be answered, but I'll not do all this in exam, because I'm not going to write SAT to prove my knowledge. I'm going to write SAT to get the best possible scores. You'll find the slope. There is only one line with a slope of 3. Happily, if there are 2 lines, you don't have an option. Immediately, you'll try to find the value of that C or B or whatever you call that constant. Okay? Yeah, perfect. Now, other question that I see in this paper is question number what, 26. Let me see how many of you can give me answer for 26, and everyone should be active in the class. Please don't be silent or sleep. If you can be with me for next 30-40 minutes, 2 questions are in your pocket. You can solve any question related to equation of line in SAT exam. Start. Give me answer for 26. This is another model. I'll solve all the models. Perfect. 3 students gave me answer, but 4 gave me answer. Okay. Perfect. Everyone should type your answer. Please be alert, fast, and give me your answer fast. Yashashvi, Gururaj, Abhinav, Harini. I received answers from these students. Share. Think. Think. Bharani gave me answer. Samhit gave me answer. Mayuka gave me answer. Lahari, Anushka, Swatishri, Tonight. See, once I explain this array, it's not so simple question. Why did I make mistake or why could not do will be your feeling, Harsha. That is the reason every point that I say in the class is most important. Okay, who solved vanilla? Okay, even others, I am expecting answers from others to hear. So now, what he says in the xy plane, the line determines the points. So the points on the line are 2 comma k, k comma 32. So passes which of the following and 0 comma 0. They give 3 points on the line. You need to remember that passes through the origin. So indirectly they give 3 points on the line. I clearly told you when there are any number of points, the slope between any 2 points should remain same. I'll find the slope between 2 comma k and 0 comma 0. The slope between 2 comma k and 0 comma 0 is k minus 0 by 2 minus 0, which is k by 2. That should be same as slope between these 2 points. So 32 minus 0 is 32 upon k minus 0 is k. Do cross multiplication, k square is 64. So k should be 8. C for Chennai is answer. See how simple is this? But why can't we do? Or why are we making mistakes? Why are you trying to type something else? Here, please learn. SAT is a simple exam. I'm challenging in section 2, I can solve in 3 to 4 minutes. Section 3, 20 questions I can solve in 3 to 4 minutes. Section 4, 38 questions I can solve in 7 to 9 minutes with almost all questions correct. That's the practice I have. That is the accuracy I have. Everything comes with practice. None of you are gifted students. Just like that, I have some mantra in my hand. I'll get the answers. No, right? Simple. Make mistakes, realize the mistakes, you are the winner. Is it difficult or easy question? Easy. But what is the problem? You neglected that point. What is the point? Slope between any 2 points, the slope of a line is same. Slope of the line remains always the same. Or slope, find the slope between any 2 points, it is the same. When I'm explaining that concept, I pressed. If you remembered or not, I don't know when I explained around what time, but when I'm explaining that concept, I stressed. This point is most important, sir. At least now it is most important. You might have solved in other way, but this is the best way. See, k by 2 equal to 32 by k. Just to explain you, I'm doing all this, but if not k by 2, 32 by k. So if the both are equal, k square is 64, k is 8. Even with pen and paper is not required. Okay. So now let me, I think no more questions in this paper. Let me open other paper. I'll solve. There are different models. Every question you feel like a new question. Paka. So let us jump to math section. Other simple question. Solve question number 2. Everyone should type your answer. Please be fast. Give me accurate answer. Fast and accuracy both are important to me. Start. Please do give me answer for question number 2. Now people have become smart. Good. Yeah, but in 1 second you can do this. If you have just listened my previous explanation, in 1 second you'll do this. Very good, yeah. Abhinav, good. Harsha, perfect. Pavan, perfect. Alok, perfect. Gururaj, perfect. Lahari, perfect. Pranav, perfect. Mayuka, perfect. Anushka, perfect. Harini, just check once more. SSV, perfect. Samhit, perfect. So they gave me different points. I just need to find the equation of the line. Vanilla perfect, last year, please do check. We should not be in hurry. Hurry is good, but we should not make any sort of mistake. We might make some calculation mistakes. Bharani perfect, Aditya perfect. So now when I'm trying to solve this question, they give different points, 1, 5. If I'm the student, if I'm the exam, I'll do like this. 13 minus 5, 8, 3 minus 1, 2, 8 by 2 is 4. So there is only one line with 4. So C for Chennai should be my answer. I'll take in 1 second. In 1 second, I can do this question. And most of you have done that. Most of you have implemented that. Some of you got A for Agra as answer. I think you see how you got to learn why did you do mistake? What then your brain will think, yes, then the way your brain will think will change. If not, if you don't realize what exactly you have done your mistake, your brain always remains the same. If you realize, you will never commit the mistake. If you are serious, if not, the brain will, the neurons, it is definitely chemical body. Our body is made of chemistry, is more important than all other subjects, biology or chemistry, whatever you take it as. So all our neurons, so they think in the same way unless until you realize. So now let me see the more students who gave me answer. Who did not give me answer? Not good. Yeah, Junaid good, Swadhishree good, Harini perfect, Amanov. Okay. Now let me give some difficult question. Everyone is enjoying solving some questions. Now let me give a difficult question and see how many of you can solve. Yeah, 28th question start. Let me see how many of you can give me answer and correct answer in less time. Start. Your time starts now. Question number 28. Don't worry, read the question. First you find g of x, then you can find g of 9. They're asking g of 9. Once you find g of x, wherever x is there, you can just plug in 9 in that. That's it. Everyone should try hard. You should not sit idle. Try hard to give me answer. Make mistakes. Realize the mistakes. You are the winner. Very good. Junaid and Harini gave me answers. I don't know what is the answer, but good. Abhinav gave me answer. Harsha gave me answer. As of now, 5 students gave me answer. Option B, option C, option D have been covered. So someone, if you can give me option A, I'm more happy because B, C, D have been covered. Only option that is left is A. So someone can focus on A too, how to get A. Yeah. Okay. So Bharani gave me answer. Pranav gave me answer. Harsha gave me answer. Abhinav gave me answer. Satvik gave me answer. Samhit gave me answer. Abhiram gave me answer. Yashashvi gave me answer. Siddharth, Sidhu, very good, yeah, Sidhu. Sidhu gave me answer. Even I feel guilty if you don't get good scores here because the parents paid money to my institute. Get the good scores and work for yourself, not for your parents or someone, then you'll get good scores. Pakka, you'll get good scores. Mayuka gave me answer. Pavan Kumar gave me answer. Vanilla gave me answer. Okay, students who have given answers very good. I think almost 17, 18 students gave me answer. That's 6, 7, 8, 9 students also should be a bit active. Anushka gave me answer. Now, if I need to solve question number 28, everyone just focus and see why did you get that particular answer or what is the correct answer and how to solve this. The graph of the linear function f is shown in the xy plane. So they're saying this is the up. The slope of the graph of the linear function g is 4 times the slope of the if the graph of g passes through the point 0 comma minus 4, if the point passes through the 0 comma minus 4, what is the value of g of 9? What is the value of g of 9? So for that, first I need to find g of x. First, I need to find g of x. So to find g of x, first I need to find the mx plus b. I need to find the slope. So clearly this is slope of the line g is 4 times the slope of f. So what is the slope of f? 1, 2, 3. So this point is 0, 3. And take any other point that you like. Let me take this point, but please be careful when you're counting 1, 2, minus 2, 2. Be careful when you're counting the points. If not, you'll go wrong here. So the points I took are minus 2, 2, 0, 3. You might ask me, why did you take only these 2 points? Then take something else. This point is minus 4, 1. But you take any 2 points, but don't waste time in finding the points here. So let me take 0, 3 and minus 2, 2. Find the slope. What is the slope? 3 minus 2 is 1. 0 minus of minus 2 is 2. Slope of f is 1 by 2. But I need to find slope of g. Slope of g is 4 times the slope of f. So 4 times 1 by 2, that is 2. I got my m. I'm happy. So g of x is, see, the concept always remains the same, 2x plus b. What is unknown here? Unknown here is b. I need to find b. To find b, let me plug in this point, which is 0, minus 4. So minus 4 is equal to 0 plus b, or b is minus 4. So my equation is g of x is equal to 2x minus 4. This is the crux here, finding the equation of line. That is what I've been explaining to you. The entire question, they might ask g of 9, but the entire crux of this question is finding the equation of line. If I can find the equation of this line, that is done. Now I need to find g of 9. What is g of 9? 2 into 9 minus 4, 18 minus 4, which is 14. So answer is C for Chennai. Who got answer C? Not by luck, by solving the process. You are very good. You can solve any other question that comes, because they give some like lengthy word problem. Still you are able to interpret, implement, write all these steps, and you got. Who got other options? It's an opportunity for you to learn where are you making mistake. If you can identify that, you'll not repeat mistakes. But who had given me C, they're definitely doing good job. Who gave other options also doing good job. Who did not give any answers, they're only the ones they're doing bad job. You need to be alert and awake here. Most of you are giving answers. Finally, you'll be laid back. Okay, very happy. Okay, yeah. Now let me give another question. There are many questions. See how differently they'll ask questions. Every question looks different. Now let me take another paper, like section 6. I don't want to do simple questions. Now I'm sure you might have become, but it is also simple, almost same as the previous. Everyone just give me answer for question number 25. Test 6, question number 25. Perfect. 9 students gave me answer. Even others, be active. You should compete with others. Most of you gave same answer. Most of you gave same answer except 1 or 2 students. Remaining all gave me one option. So I think that is the correct option. So the students that they gave me answer here stands for Pranav. Very good, Pranav. Abhinav, Yashashvi, Lahari, Mayuka, Harsha, Anushka, Gururaj, Pavan, Bharani, Swati, Junaid, Abhiram, Harini, Alok, Siddharth, Swati, I received answers from these students. Even others, please type your answer. And now let us solve and see what should be answer for this. Vanilla 2 has given me answer right now. So take any 2 points. Don't waste your time in writing other points. 0, comma minus 2, comma 2, comma 4. Slope is 4 minus 2, which is 6 by 2 minus 0, which is 2. 6 by 2 is 3. Therefore, y is equal to 3x plus b. To solve for b, take any 2 point. When x is equal to 0, y is minus 2. So b is minus 2. I got the equation. Y is also called as f of x. Both meant the same. Now they need to find f of 3. 3 into 3 minus 2, 9 minus 2 is 7. Most of you gave me answer as B for Bangalore. I'm very happy. 1 or 2 students gave me something else. You please do identify where are you making. You'll make a minor mistake. I'm 100% sure. You'll not make any major mistakes. You'll make a minor mistake. Okay. Yeah. Now let me open a different paper which has completely different way they are asking questions. So now I'm opening directly paper 10. If I'm done with this paper, then I'll open other paper set. In paper 10, in section 3, I have a question on other simple question, direct question. Everyone in the class should type your answer. Please do type your answer in the chat box. Please do type your answer for question number 9 in the chat box. Start. Accuracy and speed both are important. Perfect. Others too, please back to it. Now I'll give different. In this paper itself, I have many models which I'm going to give it to you. So 5 students, 6 students. Bharani, Lahari, Harsha, Mayuka, Pranav, Lasya, Abhinav, Gururaj. These people have given me answer. Even others, just like Pavan Kumar, Samhit, very good. Lahari, everyone type their answer. Everyone just be active. Please be active and just type your answers. Take any 2 points. Minus 4 comma 0, 0 comma minus 4. So what is the slope? 4 by minus 4, which is minus 1. So slope should be minus 1. So y is equal to minus x plus c. Now plug in any 1 point. So put x is equal to 0, y is minus 4. So y is equal to minus x minus 4. Or bring this side, x plus y is minus 4. So clearly our friend C for Chennai should be my answer. I can see 7 more students have given me answer. Anushka gave me answer. Very good, Amma. Junaid gave me answer. Perfect. Vanilla gave me answer. Perfect. Abhiram, correct. Harini, perfect. Alok, you made it. So in these questions, they look so simple, but in hurry, even though you might be too good in math, you'll mark A or B as answer. You know, when you know something, you should not make mistake here. So answer for this question is C for Chennai, not A. Students who are very good, they made a small mistake and they got it wrong. You might ask me what is the other way to solve. So other way to solve is, I don't like trial and error, but if you want me to explain other ways, there are many ways. This line slope will be negative. Why? Because this make an angle greater than 90, or once I find the slope, it is minus 1. Minus A by B, slope is 1. So definitely A cannot be answered. A and B can never be answers. By closing my eyes, once I find slope, I can cancel them, because slope of A, x minus y minus 4 is 1. How? Minus A is coefficient of x, B is minus 1. Minus 1 by 1 is 1. So slope of A and B are 1, but I need minus 1. So A and B can never be answers. If I'm smart, this is how I do in the examiner. I'll tell you my way of doing if I want to do. Don't write afraid, or don't think why should not I think. Don't deviate the method that I taught you, because if you followed whatever I taught you so far, even a dumb student can solve. But if you're extremely good, or if you think too much, okay, this line will have negative slope. These two have positive slopes. Immediately I'll eliminate these two. The line should pass through 0 comma minus 4. I just plug in any 1 point, so I can say C for Chennai. I do fat. These two lines have negative slope. In this passes through minus 4 comma 0. This does not pass. So C for Chennai is my answer. but don't follow different methods for different questions. Just follow one simple method, what I explained. Happy? Now, let me take some difficult questions in this paper. You need to be active now, then only you'll be able to solve the questions. Everyone just solve and give me answer for question number 23. Start, your time starts now. Question number 23, start. Question number 23. Perfect. 4 students already gave me answer. I'm not seeing their answers. Everyone should give me answer. Be active, fast. 6 students. Take any 2 points and find the equation of line and type your answer. 7. In every paper, you have 2 questions here. If you cannot follow the class, after the class, please watch this video again and again. You'll be definitely able to understand. 8 students gave me answer. I'm seeing their answers. Most of you gave me answer as A for Alibaba. Okay, so most of you gave me the same answer, so it should be correct. Even others, just see here who could not do this now. Take any 2 points, a comma 0, 3a comma minus a. Slope is 0a by minus 2a minus 1 by 2 should be the answer. So these two are, this slope is minus 1 by 2, this slope is minus 1 by 2. This is not, so answer should be between a and b. But why should I take this? Y is equal to minus 1 by 2x plus b. Plug in any one point. When x is equal to a, y is equal to 0. 0 is equal to minus a by 2 plus b, or b is equal to a by 2. So y is equal to minus x by 2 plus a by 2. 2y is equal to minus x plus a, or x plus 2y. This is one way of solving. Other way of solving is, immediately I come to know slope is minus 1 by 2, eliminate c and d. This line is passing through this line is passing through a comma 0. This is not passing. Just plug in a comma 0. A plus 0 is a. So this is another way to solve. But if you want to follow this method, that is fine. But this is another way. Immediately you can eliminate based on the slopes. You can eliminate 2 options. Okay. Now let me give a next model of the questions that they are going to ask in the exam based on the same. What is this? Finding the equation of the line. Try to give me answer for 24. Only thing that you need to remember, this is called scatter plot. Last class I explained. Who could not attend, watch that video. Pranav, don't worry, I'll explain here. Once I'm done with these concepts, again I'll repeat the concepts for you. Now you need to be as much approximate as possible whenever you have a questions based on these plots. If you are approximate, you'll get perfect answer. You want to be accurate, you'll never get the correct answer in scatter plot questions. So take any 2 random points and mark them. Immediately you'll be able to answer those questions. Immediately you'll be able to answer those questions. After this question, I'm going to give one of the beautiful questions. Let me see how many of you can solve this after this question. Take any 2 random points. This point is 160, 80. So I'm taking 2 points. One point is 160, 80. The other point is 260, 130. Take any 2 points. Don't waste your time. 130 minus 80 is minus 50. 260 minus 100 is 130 minus 80 is 50. 260 minus 160 is 100. 50 by 100 is 1 by 2, 0.5. So there is only one line with 0.5. Therefore, y is equal to 0.5x. By now, everyone would have given me answer. Mayuka, Anushka, Abhinav, perfect. Remaining all should be careful. You should not make mistake in the questions that you know. Okay. So answer for 24th should be B for Bangalore, because again I need to find the equation of the line. equation of the line is same. Y is equal to mx plus b. Find slope. To find b, plug in any point. Done. We are done. Rarely you can use options, points. Now, let me give one of the most important questions where very few students generally solves that. Let me see how many of you give me correct answer in less time. So your time starts now. Yeah. Please do solve this and give me your answer. Everyone, all 25 students should type your answer in the chat box. Start. Your time starts now. Question number 20. Yes, correct. Excellent. 6 students gave me answer. Lahari, Abhinav, Harsha, Junaid, Pranav. Good, Pranav. You're doing good here. Gururaj, Mayuka. We should not make even a single mistake. You need to be very careful. Even though I'm shouting in between, your focus should be on solving only the question correct answer. Lasya, Yashashvi, Mayuka. Samhit. Swati. Harini. Most of you gave answer as 2.5. So I think 2.5 is correct. Students who give something else, they need to be careful here. You should not make mistakes because you have done almost 9 to 10, 11 to 12 questions on the same thing I've been explaining so far. So take any, they're asking the graph of the linear function f is shown in the plane. The graph of the linear function g is not shown, is perpendicular to the graph of f and passes through the point 1, 3. See, finally it lands up how to find m and how to find b. So g of x is mx plus b. Find the slope of f. This point is 1, 1 and this point is 0, 3. The moment you find the slope, 3 minus 1 is 2, 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So minus 2x plus b is my g of x. To find b, plug in any one point, put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. So b 3 is equal to 0 plus b, which is b. So g of x is minus 2x plus 3. Is this correct? Definitely wrong. Because they're not asking to find f of p. This is what some of you have done. That is the reason you got wrong answer. These are the mistakes that you need to learn. Oh, what I'm doing. They're not asking about g. G is not at all given. I just need to use this to find the slope of g. So once I find what I got, 3 minus 1 is 2, minus 2 is the slope of f. But the question is all about g, but students forget all that. They do something, they do g of 0 as something, they give me answer as 5, something they give it here. Not good. Not correct, right? So first immediately find the slope of f. So points are 0, 3 and 1, 1. 3 minus 1 is 2, by minus 2 is the slope of f. But I need the slope of g. It's a perpendicular. I said perpendicular means negative and reciprocal. So slope of g of x is 1 by 2x. So 1 by 2x plus b. To find b, they gave the point it is passing through 1, 3. 3 is equal to 1 by 2 plus b. So b is equal to 3 minus 1 by 2 is 5 by 2 or 2.5. So equation is g of x is equal to 1 by 2x plus 2.5 or 5 by 2. They're asking g of 0, so 2.5. So 2.5 or 5 by 2. This is another important thing. One important, most important point I'm going to explain it to you right now. You need to be careful and listen. You should listen carefully now. So answer is 5 by 2 or 2.5. Students who got this, and most of you got this. I'm very happy. Who could not get this? Also, I'm happy because you're making some mistake. You need to realize what mistake are you making. Now, why I'm saying important is, suppose you got answer as 5 by 3. Assume. Forget this. You need to grid in because this is not an MCQ question. You need to grid in. So you have 4 boxes to grid in. They give some numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You'll write 5 by 3. You can write like this, or you can write like this. Not outside, 5 by 3 inside. But if you write 5 by 3 also can be written as 1.6666. In exam, if the answer is 5 by 3 and if you write only 1.6, your answer is marked wrong. Your answer is marked wrong. Or even you write 1.7, your answer is marked wrong. So if you write 5 by 2 or 2.5, it does not make any difference because it is terminating. If it is non-terminating, you need to write 1.66 or 1.67. Then only it is correct according to the computer. If not, it is going to grid in you 0 marks. So my suggestion is, if you get 5 by 3, why can't you plug in why can't I just grid in 5 by 3? Why should I convert into decimals, rounding off, truncating, and filling up all the 4 numbers? So what I meant to say is, if you get in fractions, just plug in fractions and bubble, so that no need to waste your time for conversion. If you got in decimals, you write it, but if you did not get in decimals, don't convert fractions into decimals, because every 1 second that saves my time in SAT is most important to me. That is what I meant to say. Okay, so with this, I'm closing this class. I'll send these papers in the group. Try to solve all equation of line questions. Wherever you get equation of line questions, happily should be able to attack the questions and solve them. Okay, all the best. I'll see you in the next class. With today's class, everyone has become perfect with the equation of lines model. Every class I'll cover 1 or 2 questions that you come as part of SAT. So every class is important. Don't miss any class. I'll see you in the next class. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you have extra English classes. Everyone make sure that attend them. Even before attending, do the pre-work required for the class and come ask many questions in the class. Be active in the class. Then you'll be successful. Yeah, means you'll get good scores. All the best. Good to see you. I'll see you in the next class. Take care. Bye. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.